Welcome back, everybody. I'm Bryan Diehl, and today I'm going to introduce you to my favorite state park, Cape Disappointment. Situated beautifully where the Columbia River meets the Pacific Ocean on the southwest corner of Washington State. While visiting Cape Disappointment, you will be treated to a vast array of wildlife and forests, beaches, and trails. What a wonderful way to spend time. I certainly recommend staying more than just overnight. Some of our favorite activities at Cape Disappointment include fishing, clamming, riding our one-wheels on the beach and our scooters. We also enjoy hiking the trails, biking around the park, and it's always nice to go have an espresso at the little store. Now, if you're like me and you like to hike, ride on trails, and you really are fascinated by lighthouses, this is the park for you. There's a lighthouse on the north end, there's a lighthouse on the south end. They're completely different, and it's a completely different experience getting there. The trails for the South Lighthouse require a little bit of hiking. Not enough to hurt anybody, I'm not young. So, well worth the hike. Beautiful, beautiful place to photograph nature and all of the beautiful scenery on the ocean. Along the way to this lighthouse, you'll want to stop by the Lewis and Clark Interpretive Center. A lot of information about the Lewis and Clark expedition, which ended at that lighthouse before it was built, and a lot of information about the Columbia River and just the general area that the park is located in. Well worth staying and experiencing the Lewis and Clark Interpretive Center. On the north end, it's a newer lighthouse, well maintained by the state parks. That one you can actually ride your electric bike or your bicycle or your one wheel on about a mile-long trail out to the ocean. At the end of the video, we'll do a little of that. In the meantime, let's just look at the pretty pictures. Enjoy Cape Disappointment. So now, as promised, I'm showing you the trail out to the North Head Light. This is beautifully nature-lined, paved, really, really a pleasurable walk, ride, bicycle, whatever you got to do to get up this trail. I think it's going to be worth it. You're going to be glad you did. Very accessible to everybody. There are also side trips off of this trail that take you out to Bell's View, which is kind of across straight to the right of the lighthouse in this view. And there's a trail just down the hill from where this trail meets the road, from Baird's Hollow out to Long Beach. That's a fun trail too. Beautiful spot, huh?
That looks great.
Well, everybody, that's your introduction to Cape Disappointment on the Washington coast. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you there. I'm Bryan Diehl. Thanks for watching.